Welcome guys, today we are going to look at how we can check our model. We are also going to look at how we can load our model. So let's get started. So in order to check your model, you have to go here in analysis. Here in analysis we have where it says building analysis. So click on building analysis, then you go here on analysis and you go here where it says building model check. So click here, then make sure all these are on. So make sure you check all these. So check the overlapping slabs check. Make sure you check all these. So once you see that all these are checked, you can go where it says start. So click on start and it will automatically start checking your model to see if it has no errors. So once it's finished, it's going to tell you that number of errors 0. So once you have 0 errors, it means your model is okay. So here you can just go on close this as well. So we have done our check. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to load our model. So in order to load your model, you have to choose a beam here. Let me just go on story 1. I'll use story 1. So I'm on story 1, then I'm going to click my beam here. So once you click your beam, it's going to show you this here on top, where it's going to bring these options. So here we want to load our walls. So you go here where it says edit walls. Okay, so once you are in edit loads, you are going to have this. So this is where we are going to start editing our walls. So here we have where it says wall, then here there are some options which you can choose from. I'm going to choose the external wall. So once you have chosen the external wall, it's going to give you the unit weights and also the thickness of the wall. Then here we have to enter our wall height. Remember, we have to consider the beam as well. Our beam is about 400 millimeters. So here we are going to consider it as well, and our height of our wall, it's about 3,200. So here we are going to do 3,200 minus 400. So here we are going to enter a value of 2.8 meters, like that. That's going to be our height of the wall. So once you are done with here, you can go on OK. Here, go on OK. Then it's going to load your structure. So here I'm just going to show you here in 3D to show you how it has been loaded. So you can see, so this means your structure has been loaded. When you see this, it means your structure has been loaded. You can even go here in story 1, you can see the color has changed. If the color changes to this, it means you have loaded your walls. So let's go back to 3D. Okay, let me do this. Then I'll click here and I'll try to copy this. So here I'll go on copy. Okay, here it is. It says copy wall load. I'll go here on copy. Then I'll go here in 3D just in order to see how it's going to be. how we are going to load our structure. So we have to load all these other members as well. So we have to put our wall loads here as well. So I'm going to go on beam here. Since I'm on story 1, remember I'm on story 1. So here I will select my first beam here. So here I'll select this one, then I'll press my shift key and I'll just go here like that, and it's going to select all my beams. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going now to paste here. So here I'll go where it says paste. So here it says paste copied beam loads. So here I'll go on paste like that, and I'll go on yes. All right, so you can see here that, try to go on escape, you can see that we have loaded our walls like that. So this is how you can load your model. This is how you can load your model. So let's load the rest as well. So I'm going to go now on my second floor. So this is my second floor. So here now I'm on my second floor. I'll go on beams and I'll select this part and I'll go on the shift key. I'll press the shift key and I'll select the last part and I'll just go on paste. Paste beam loads like that. I'll go on yes. I'll do the same with story 3 here. I'll go here on story 3 now, and I'll go on my beams like that. I'll select my first beam and I'll press my shift key and I'll go here. I'll select the last one and I'll paste here, and I'll go on yes. Okay, now we have loaded our model. So this is how you can load your model. Okay, we are not going to load our story 4 here, our fourth story, because it's acting as our roof. So this is how you can check your model and also load your model. Okay, so this is what I had for you today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.